I have this beanie. Okay, and then for the last row, the second last row, make 1 double crochet in each stitches at the front loop. Okay, only the front loop here. Okay, so this row is the second last row of the beanie. Okay, if you have a hat or a normal hat, a normal beanie like this, you're going to make the outside loop double crochet when you reach the second last row of the hat, okay, of the beanie. So continue making 1 double crochet at the front loop. So I'm gonna meet you back after I finish this row. This is a newborn beanie I made for a friend of mine. Total stitches is 72. Right, close the row with slip stitch, and then the last row chain 2 and make 1 double crochet in the same stitch, and then make 1 double crochet in each stitches, okay, until the end of the row. So if you can see here, because we crochet only at the front loop, so at the back of the hat or the beanie, it's gonna be like this. This is the part that I'm gonna attach the hair later for the cat. Now let's finish this hat, closing it with a slip stitch, and then we're going to put the hair in. So I have a total of that 72 stitches, so 72 divided by 2 is going to be 36. So 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36. So I'm going to put on the 36 here. Okay, and then I've already marked the 36, so it's going to be around here. Let's take the yellow yarn. I don't want to be the braid, I don't want the braid to be very long, so I'm going to use this like this long. I think this long is okay, right? So I'm going to put this one here and like this. And then I'm gonna cut it right here. Oops. And now I have my hair, right? Okay. Take one piece. Okay, now I'm done braiding the hair, so I'm putting a little bow here, white bow here. So if you want to look at inside, in terms of the amount of hair that you want, right, I just put 10 strands of yarn. So if you want a thicker hair, you can put more hair, depending on what you want, but I think this one is enough for me.